what Aptean, Germanedge, and Logility can bring you in terms of product is a little bit on this chart visible. So you have on top in green the supply chain planning part with strategy, demand, inventory, supply, sales and operations planning, and so forth. On the bottom left, you see the manufacturing operations part, like the production scheduling. We have the manufacturing execution. Some of our customers who are in this call are using the shop floor control or the quality software or the workforce management software. So there's a lot of that that is already in production and what we deal with now. And then on the bottom right, there is the supply chain execution part, which is the warehouse management, transportation management, and the order fulfillment part. Yeah, so those things are now available under one roof. And what we've done is we've connected those things so that you can start asking questions to your digital production, to your digital factory. So the ability to support all of these decisions and the ability to ask those questions, that is what we call decision-centric enterprise. And with what we're doing, we're aiming to get you there.